Looking for toys that keep your children engaged? This is this super fun Nickelodeon Blaze. This Turbo Twist Racer will keep them away from screens and TV, and look how super fun this is. This toy by Jittery Jet is a STEM monster truck fun blaze. It's fast, it's smart, it teaches kids a lot of different building abilities. Watch how it races around this pre-designed track. It is lightning fast, and there's endless possibilities of how you can build this track, including that circle there. It is so much fun, and it's one of Nickelodeon's most popular toys, a fun series that little boys and girls are watching and learning how to build things. Look how it races around the track. You can build endless obstacle courses and lift this track on different objects to teach children how physics works, and it also is very cool in that it glows in the dark. It has a really special feature of glowing in the dark, which makes it lots of fun for kids. You can use it indoors and outdoors, and it is endless hours of possibilities. These interlocking pieces here teach them how to build and hook things together with lots of fun in store. This fun toy was provided for me for my honest review from Jittery Jet, and I highly recommend it for hours and hours of fun.